Okay, back again with the Snarky Scientist PhD. I am going to give you homework. Yes. And there is a particular reason for this. Most people think they understand how the body works, and they think they understand how immune function works. Again, I want to teach you how to think through these processes. Part of that is that it's really hard to learn something when you think you know it. It's really hard. So I'd like you to stop and think for a moment, and I'll give you some context about how the immune system works. Not just that it works, but how does your body recognize something that's foreign and attacking you, something that shouldn't be there and is trying to hurt you? How does it recognize that as opposed to food, as opposed to you? Because your body does. It can distinguish those things, and it only attacks the one that's actually trying to harm you. Usually. Sometimes those break down. So, Nobel laureate Peter Medawar, fantastic guy, did really great research into basically tolerance and graft rejection, why certain tissues are rejected when they're grafted and certain other ones aren't. He was figuring out that foundational system, and so the quote in his Nobel acceptance speech goes something like this, and this is highly paraphrased because his language was very formal, very academic. But basically he said, how is it that an animal that hasn't yet been born can make an immune response against a chemical that has not yet been created? And there's even actually an extension of that. It's not just that an animal that doesn't exist yet can create an immune response against something else that doesn't exist yet, but that it doesn't create an immune response against itself, and it doesn't create an immune response against the things that it eats. If you eat a hamburger, if you eat a lettuce salad, if you eat shrimp scampi, your body doesn't try and get rid of the shrimp like it was a bacteria or a virus attacking you. You don't have that sort of reaction. If you did, you would die, and we'd all have to be cannibals in order to live, because the only thing you could eat would be other people. That's clearly not the case. If there are any cannibals out there, that is not an excuse for you.